Hello everybody, I'm teacher Lea from the Philippines. I have a bachelor's degree in English from Cebu Normal University. I am a board passer. I have a 120 hours TESOL certificate. I have been exposed to teaching English way back in college in practice teaching, handling junior high school students, Filipino students. I've also taught Japanese students, and currently I am in a very reliable company, which is the YesOnline. I have taught here for roughly 8 years now. I'm teaching kids, young adults, and old aged. It's very nice to help these students learn and enhance their 4 macro skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And I will continuously show my dedication towards teaching these different individuals. So whatever you are, whoever you are, and wherever you are, I will be your sister, your friend, your advisor, and most especially a teacher you won't never forget. So to all my potential students out there, I think we're going to have a lot of fun in class. So see you soon, everybody. 我爱你，拜拜。